Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a comparison video between these two bracelets, which are Rivale Double Tour and O'Kelly bracelet from Hermes. So you can see how they look like. This is Rivale Double Tour and this is O'Kelly. The hardware in Rivale is kind of rectangular, whereas this one has square hardware. So this is kind of a watch, whereas this is kind of a bracelet, and there is a film I haven't opened yet. You can see there is the film and there is a film here on the lock as well. That's why you see this one more brighter and more shinier than this one. This is matte because I haven't gotten a chance to wear it, so I haven't taken that out yet. Yeah, so other than the hardware, everything is same in both the bracelets, but I'm going to show you in detail the front and the back of the leather and everything. And both of these bracelets I got from the online store, from their website. I have the unboxing videos for both of them, so if you want to see the unboxing videos, then I'm going to link them in the description box, so check those out so that you can get an idea how you might get your items if you order online. Now let me tell you the price. So both of these bracelets are $540 USD, but I think when I got the Rivale one, it was more than that. I don't remember exactly how much. I have to see my unboxing video, but I just checked the website and they are $540 each. And now let me show you the details. So here is the Rivale. You can see there is the Hermes stamp, and you open like this, slide it out, there you go. And here is the leather. And this is very comfortable, by the way, not heavy at all. Here is the hardware. This is gold plated, and here is the back. And I got in the size T1, by the way, and for reference my wrist size is 5.5. And you can see this stamp here which says Hermes Paris, made in France, and something is there. I think that is their, I don't know, style code or date code, I'm not sure, or serial number. And I'm going to wear it and show you guys, but let me show you the other one, the O'Kelly one. So here is the O'Kelly bracelet, and this is in deep blue, and I don't know what is the name of this color, but this is orange, same color as the box, and this color is deep blue. And like I said before, because there is a film, that's why this is matte gold, but you can see this part, this is shinier, and that is the actual color behind this film. And this is not heavy at all, it's very lightweight. And you can see there is a lock and there is a leather, and the back of the leather says Hermes Paris, and the back of the lock says Hermes and made in France. Yeah, you can see the film there. Let me take out this film. So I took out the film and there is some glue. I think I have to wipe that off. And let me show you how the look like. You can see the difference in the metal. Sorry guys, it's not focusing, so I don't think you can see properly, but what can I do? Yeah, this is the one, and let me show you. So this has the same locking system as the Rivale one. You have to just open this. And here is the bracelet. And here is the back. Again I got in the size T1. Beautiful. And you can see the back side has white stitching, whereas the front has the matching blue stitching. And for this one, this is orange stitching, and the back has, it's not white, it's kind of the same color as the back leather, I think brown color. Let me show you the difference in the hardware. This is kind of a horizontal hardware, and this is kind of a square hardware. And if you ask me which one I like more than the other, I would say the Rivale one, because of its color. I like the orange color more than the blue color, and I like the way the hardware is. It's kind of long than this one. This is kind of a watch, but this is kind of a bracelet. I love them both, but if I had to choose one, I would go with Rivale. Now let me show you guys how they look on the wrist. I don't know guys how I'm going to show you both of them together. I'm wearing this one on my left hand, and I'm wearing this one on my right, but I don't know how to show you guys. So this is how they look together. I think I like both of them. I like the blue color as well on my skin tone. I feel like this is blending with my skin tone. Not really, but it feels like that, but this is kind of a contrast to my skin tone. Right guys? What do you guys think? I think both of them look good on my skin tone. These are the two bracelets I have so far, the leather bracelets, and I would love to collect some more because I love the way they look on the wrist, and I love the way the quality is. Like from packaging to the products, everything I like about Hermes. So that's it guys. Let me know in the comment section which one you like. You like the Rivale double tour or you like the Kelly. I kind of like both of them, but I want to know what you guys think. And also they come with these rubbery thingy to protect your hardware. You have to just put this thingy in there so that it will not scratch the hardware. And this one came like this with a big rubbery material. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know in the comment section which one you like the most, the Rivale double tour or Kelly bracelet. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video and see you again in my next one. Bye.